Hey everybody, 5-minute time. We're gonna do 5-minute abs, all right? So let's get going. We don't have much time to waste. You're gonna start on all fours. So just a quick stretch. Tuck your tail, tuck your head, arch, open. Find a halfway point in between those two. Let's take your right foot back, left foot back, and you're gonna find a plank. So nice and long here. If you need to be on your knees, you can. If you need to be on your elbows, you can. So I want you to feel nice and tall up on your toes. Elbows are just slightly bent so that they're not locked. Yes, you're holding it and maybe shaking. That's a good thing. Nothing better than a plank to wake up those abs. And let's take the hips up and back. So now what you're going to do is lift your right leg up. When you come forward, I want you to pull your knee in towards your chest. Take it up and back. Pull your knee towards your left elbow so you're crossing. Take it up and back. Knee towards your right elbow. Up and back. Okay? Left elbow. Up. Right elbow. Up. And then let's end in the center. Take it up and back. Nice job. Foot comes down. Other side. Left leg. So we're going to go center first. Take it up. Let's go right elbow. And up. Keep that belly pulled in. Feel strong in your arms. Left elbow. Up. We're going to go across again. Right elbow. Up. You didn't think you'd get some arm work with this too, did you? It's a good thing. And then left. Or right in the center, sorry. Take it up and back. Foot down. Come forward to a plank. One more time. Now, step your feet a little bit wider. I want you to cross tap with your arms. Right hand comes to left shoulder, down. Left hand, right shoulder, down. Trying to keep your body as still as you can. You got it. Last two. Nice job. Knees down, press back. All right, so you're gonna lay down on your right side. You're gonna come onto your elbow. Legs are gonna straighten out, one on top of the other. When you're ready, you're gonna exhale, lift up, side plank. Inhale, back down. So if you need to, you can bring one foot in front of the other instead of having them stacked. So that's gonna make it a little bit easier. You can also bend your knees. Okay, so you can do this right here with your knees bent, which definitely will make it easier too. So this is working your obliques. You got it. We have two more. Make sure you're strong in your shoulder. Last one. Keep it up there. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Nice job. We have another side. So onto your elbow. If you know you need to do your knees, go ahead and do that. Legs straight and stacked, hand on your waist. When you're ready, lift. So think about pulling belly button to spine, and think about like a lasso around your waist, pulling you up towards the ceiling, and then staying really strong in that left shoulder. Okay, last one. Let's lift it and stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. You're gonna roll onto your backs. We have a minute left. You're almost there, actually, believe it or not. So onto your back, bring your hands behind your head. Knees are bent. When you're ready, exhale, roll up, inhale, come back down. So you'll see I'm not doing these fast. I'd rather you go slow and have good form. Try to keep the tail down. Okay, last one. Roll up, stay there. Arms are gonna reach and we're gonna pulse. Reach, reach, reach. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands back. Roll back down. Nice job. Okay, one more time. Come back up for me. You're going to lift the right leg tabletop. Left leg is going to reach out. Twist, center, twist. So you're really reaching the opposite leg out and you're always coming back through center. Just 2 more. Come to center, roll down, good job. Hug your knees in, tuck your chin. We're just gonna roll and rock till they're all the way up to a seated position. Reach up, stretch. Restack. And nice job. I'll see you next time.